All right. I'm starting this thing where if I don't have a picture of it, thank you. If I don't have a picture of it, I'm going to 3D model what I have. Okay. I kind of have a picture of it. I kind of don't. So, what happened was at work today, I messed up. This right here, maybe that is too small, but this right here, it unscrews, okay? I went all the way out and no. Yes. No. You probably can't see it. Hold up. Okay, so whatever happened, whatever you just saw, it screws into here. Whenever I went too far out, this dropped. The screw is not long enough to be like reattached if this drops. So, what I had to do to bring it back was this. We are looking at a catastrophe right now, is what we're looking at. Hello, how are you doing? We are looking at a catastrophe. So, let me try to zoom in a way that is kind of risky. So, this right here is hooked on to this. This is a pulley. This is a forklift, by the way. This right here is the arm or is a the fork of the forklift. So I had to use these straps, connect to the back of this, and use this crane to connect to the front of this to bring it up, to bring it back into this hole right here. So that this can be reattached. So what I'm going to be 3D modeling is exactly this bar right here. I'm gonna see if I can do it by myself. Probably not gonna work, but we'll see. So, what is the other piece of equipment where? What are we looking at? The orange thing? Which part? The main thing? What's the main thing? This whole thing is a main thing. This is one big machine right here. This is this and that. Like, okay. This is a whole thermoforming like line. So like this right here is where the product is cut. And this right here is a mold. And this mold stamps it so that like the plastic has like a shape. And the problem, okay, the reason why I was doing this is because this mold is too tall for this machine. And this should be straight up and down. It's not. It is. Is this just trying to refocus? Is this trying to be smart? Anyways, it's not straight up and down. So this sensor right here isn't being touched. This is a screw right here that lets it know that it's where it needs to be, right? Both. Um, so I did all of that messing up only to find out that, okay, I have 2 options to make this mold work. Either this right here, I this is my hand, okay? There's, like this is the rod that fell out. I I'm right here. I can't go anymore to this direction. So, either I need to what just happened? Thank you? I need to make a bits, thing. I don't get bits. Like, this is the first time. Is it the first time? No, it's the second time I've ever gotten bits. But thank you. I don't know what this means, but thank you. Um, I'm a regular person. But, um, either I can go right here because this is a wedge. And this wedge, if I go this way with it, this platen goes down further. If I go the opposite way where I don't have any other room, I have more leeway so that I can have a full extension like I want. Either I have the option of carving more space out here or replacing this screw for a longer one to just lie to the machine and be like, hey, you're where you need to be, even though you aren't. You're where you need to be. So work. Oh, I work for someone. Yes. So at the end of the shift, I took this screw out. Okay. Monday, I will be replacing this screw with the longer one and lying to the machine and being like, hey, you're where you need to be and just hope for the best. Because keep in mind, this right here is down. It's touching this. It can't go anymore. And these right here need to be screwed into something that fits on top of here. So I need even more room. So this is going to be even more like this. Like, no. This. Like, it's going to be even more like this instead of like straight up and down. I mean, I don't know what you want. They go through this like every 2 months, bro. Like okay, anyways. So I'm gonna be replacing this with a longer screw. And also making sure that this hits this. Well, I mean, if I'm there's a lot more that I can't say in public. So it's not really my fault, but like a lot more like kind of stuff happens that's not really like OSHA friendly. But um so this is gonna be even more. So I don't even know how long the screw needs to be. I didn't say it. Oh, believe me, I didn't say it. um, so yeah, I will be 3D modeling this. No, not this whole thing. This. And seeing how it goes. And not safe. All right. So, how should I look at this? Every day I fight for my life. Every day. Every day. Please believe me. So, from the top. Is this how it? Okay, yes. This feels right. Fusion 360. I'm using or I'm modeling this entire bar, but I'm gonna see if I can make a hole in the middle of it, which shouldn't be that hard. I wanna okay, I'm using Fusion 360, but like, something is telling me that I might wanna try, what is that called? SolidWorks. Thank you, thank you. But, I don't know, something tells me that I wanna use SolidWorks. First, I need to make where's the rectangle thing at? Two-point rectangle, blah, blah. So, this is more or less uh, wait, wait a minute. Let's do 50 by 250? 50 by 250? Do that? No, what the heck is this? Hold on, let me cook. Wait. Do that? That should be easy enough. Then start extruding it, right? Extrude this to a point to where it's like, let's make it 50. Did I do it? Orbit? Hello? Okay, great. This is what I wanted. Great. This is cool. Okay. So, looking from the top, I'm dizzy. Looking for looking from the top. Let's make a hole. I see it right here. We're just gonna do this. Whoa! I didn't mean to do that. Hole type? Yes. Yes. Hole. Oh, no. What? Counterbore? I don't know what that means. Simple. Tapped. Flat. So here. And then make it not go all the way through. Make it 30. 30. About halfway through. And then make the full offset. No, no. I kind of don't know what these mean. But the width of it should. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need it tapped. Yeah. I want to expand it. Oh no. No. Okay. Tapped. Full. Flat. 30. Oh yeah, I already did it. I already did it. Distance. Extents. Multiple holes, just a single hole. Cool. I made a hole. Can I move the hole? K- Ooh, this looks good. This needs to be a skinnier hole. Uh, select. Ooh, wait. I could do this. Hello. Okay. I see this, but I don't know what it does. The feature somehow, right click. Edit. Press pull. What the heck? Okay. Let's try -10. I don't know. -10. Like a decade or oh, my bad. You don't have it selected. -1. No. Yes. It's okay. It's a learning experience for all of us. Why can't I do that? Hello? Why? Oh, I don't want to fillet it. Wait, no. No, not the death. I want to do this. I don't want to fillet it. Hmm. Hmm. But okay, if I whoa. Oh. What? Oh, what? Tap full boom now. Two? No. Distance all. This is grayed out. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. This is messed up. To two edges that are orthopedic. So let me select. Whenever I hit select, nothing is happening. Oh, okay. Let's make this 25. 52, no. 20. Cool. Yes, you, and yes, you. We can, okay, we're gonna get this. Your face is in the way. Back. Hold up. Boom. Uh, and then we'll change it to 125. Uh, so yeah, and it's grayed out. So I can't mess with it, unfortunately. And I want to change that to 30. Thank you. Yes. Very bottom. Very bottom. This? Whoa. What? Wait. Huh? That was weird. 15? 12? That may be too small for me to work with. 15. Okay. I already have the wait. I have the thread, but like objects to cut? No. Direction, right hand, class, modeled. The heck is a but the screw itself. Even if I have an M1 Max chip, I don't know, man. Tim Cook would like to have a word with you. I don't know, man. But I want, I do not, I do not want this computer to be fried. Um, let's try this. The thread, yes. So to say, okay, designation. I don't know what the difference between these are, though. Oh, I'm just gonna say okay. If I'm using American, not fine thread. Oh, yeah, that thing. Wait, wait. Does that make sense? Per millimeter? Wait, okay, that's the two messages conflict. Sorry, hold up. You need non-metric. Well, that would mess up the entire thing. Oh gosh. Okay, let's just keep it in wee units. Is this what I want? Yes. You would just select ANSI from was was there an option for that? Let's try it again. Boom. Unified metric. No. Yes. Uh 12. No, not metric. Sorry. Let's do that. Oh, that's not a half inch. I don't know what it is. It's not that. Is it that? There's no way it's that. No. It's a big bolt. Let's try that. And then have this be the replace that. Yes. Bore it out. Oh, well, you caught me. You caught me. At least I didn't strip it out. But I just mashed it up. So designation, proliferation, perforation, perspiration. I don't know what any of these mean. I didn't read it. Not really, but I wanna learn what it is in case well, eventually I will be, like, doing one-to-one modeling, so it's important to learn, but this is on the screw, and I didn't read it. Okay, fine. Bore it out. You delete. Yes, permanently deleted. Okay, so we're here now. Oh, there's also another thing. I can do that. Can't I? No, I can't. I was gonna do whatever this was, this contraption, but it's also a rod, and it's not in here, it's below here, so it's not really that. Okay, question. 'Cause I'm thinking, it is this just like how can I ask this question? I am basically okay, you're probably familiar with this term. I'm basically a process technician right now, but, like, I wanna do a little bit more as I reach, like, 30. If you were in my shoes with a decade of experience in this industry, what would be the next move? And you don't have formal education, but you have 10 years of experience. Would it be get formal education? Oh gosh. Well, it didn't count today. 'Cause okay. Um, but, like, when you were 30, it mattered? Hmm, fine. If it was more like, "Let's try despite my objections." What objections? What are we talking about? Oh, sorry. Or helped. Huh, okay, okay. And that is in mechanical or, like, what? Because, like, do you also code? Because I was thinking, like, computer engineering. Right, I don't know if that would really, like, translate to what I have experience in. I feel like I feel like I talk to, like, older versions of myself in just, like, different angles. Like, older people that I, like, meet now are just, like, older versions of where I'm naturally going.
It's weird. Like in the past like couple months, I've met like 6 different people that like are in 6 well, not 6, are in a handful of different options that I can take if I stay in this industry. And it's weird that just by happenstance I'm beating people like this. But I don't know. What else do I want to do with this model? See, the next logical thing to do would be to make a screw, but I don't know how to make a screw in here. So basically, I just have a block with a hole in it, which is kind of what this is. This little contraption is here, but the real meat and potatoes is like down here in this toggle right here is like the real meat and potatoes of it in this wedge. This sucks. This part of this machine that is the press, you need to make sure that it will not break. Just could cause well, now that you say that, I've been thinking about it. Yes. I've been thinking about that. And I don't know if I can really go through with it with this mold change. Granted, I took everything up. Like everything is like lifted up now. So it's not laying on it. But over time, with many cycles, there is a lot of like built up stress in here. So I don't know if extending this screw would be okay. Like for a couple cycles, yes, but I don't know how long it's going to last because air is also a factor. Hydraulics are also a factor. And if it's trying to go down and it can't go down anymore, that stress has to be relieved somewhere. I just don't know where. It's gonna find a weak point. I was thinking about that like once I had left. I was like, this isn't making a full extension. So it's gonna make sure it goes down, but I don't know. It's gonna be at the expense of something else. Yeah. Yeah. And with how old this machine is, I don't know if you're familiar with thermoforming stuff, but this is like an old brown machine. Old brown machine. And it's on its last legs. So I don't know if it can withstand this kind of pressure. Well, nothing should really be withstanding this kind of pressure, but still, this definitely can't. Oh, okay. Okay. And I'm the same with injection molding. But yeah, thermoforming is really my expertise. Well, expertise, because based off what I've shown you today, problems. Problems. So, yeah, I don't know where to go with this right now. Unless it's how would I make a screw? Hold up. Plot. I've already made a hole in a rectangular prism. How would I make a screw to fill it in? They should just like have a screw object. That would be great. Are you trying to put the mold in that's just too big? If that's the case, and honestly, I would say, yeah, they don't want to do that. And the other machines that are being used, they probably don't want to like delay those orders. So I'm just gonna probably tell them like either do this one, which I had originally thought to just give it more room. Yeah, this needs more room, and there's no substitute for that. Because I've already tried to do it with another mold that was too tall, and we just like, all right, this ain't gonna work. Using the thread tool, first create a cylinder that fits. What? Create a cylinder. Okay. What am I looking at? Hello? Yes. I want to do that. Can I not do that? Yeah. Yeah. You're right. I agree. I've never heard that before, but wow. Wow. Wait. Wow. Wait. That just scared me. Wait. What? I've never heard that before. Now I don't want to go back in. And I don't want to be that person. Coincidentally enough, I almost got my hand chopped off earlier this week. Fun fact. Um, yes. And then, how big is this hole? It was 12. Then what? th- What? Finish it, and then from here, extrude it to be about 25. Mm. I'm probably doing this wrong. It's probably cutting into the thing. Yeah. Ah, crap. What's a pita? Oh, never mind. Sorry. My brain just wasn't ready for an acronym. My bad. Oh yeah, you can yeah. Be yourself. Be yourself here. I don't really flag anything crazy. Well, I'll flag something crazy, but just don't be crazy. You know? That makes sense, right? Whenever I do go to Subway, which is rare, I'll always get flatbread. I can't eat anything else. Whenever they like introduce flatbread, that was it. That was just the bread from Subway. That was just it. Because everything else was like too loafy and like too, I don't know. I'm from Texas. A sub above. No, I've never had it. I've seen them, but I'm not okay. I'm not really a sub person. If anything, out of those three, I would probably don't hate me. I'd probably go to Firehouse. I don't know where that ranks at, but I would probably just default to going to Firehouse. Mm. And it supports firemen, right? Like they're still holding true to that. Hopefully, because if they aren't, that's pretty disingenuous. They say, yeah, just like CVS says they're donating, they're donating to some kind of fund, and then pocketing all the profits and wasting trees on long receipts. Yeah, they say. So who knows? Oh, okay. This is going crazy. Wait a minute. Where am I? Where is this? Oh man. Oh well. Okay. I think restaurant. Oh, they don't have taco or they don't have food trucks there, do they? It's the food trucks. It's those darn food trucks. Yeah, not the restaurants. The restaurants are kind of they've been Americanized a little bit. The food trucks is where it's at. Ooh. I basically live in Mexico, so it's just good food trucks galore on every corner. Oh, ooh. I want to be more into the halal stuff. I like it. It's just I'm more of a ramen person. I I, I can't not eat ramen. Not the thing you buy from the store. I mean like a restaurant ramen. I want to be. I want to gain weight. That's my thing. But slowly but surely. It sucks. Oh. Oh, that's what I need to do. That's what I need to do. Okay. Wait. It's not that. It's this. Delete that. Okay. I just need a straight hole. Yeah, I need a straight hole. Go down, just top down, straight hole, reference, boom, and then other reference, boom. Right? Only. Oh, wait, I forget. There's like a scale or like a spectrum. That's still a lot to me. Whoa, crap. What? Delete that. Delete. 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 Whoa. Okay. 25. 125. Huh. Now go all the way down. Now I can do this? Huh? But it won't let me do it on something that's threaded. That makes sense. Huh. Interesting. So we may do it like that. Have it be uh uh that big. Have it be that big? No. 20. 22? Yeah, have it be that big. 20. Really? Hmm. Did you like it? Mm, mm. This is a hole. And then, oh, this is what I could do. Make a cylinder right here, right? Have it be 20. Yeah, 19 and a half. I don't know. Yeah. I want to I want to go in 2026. Let's make it happen. I don't know. At what claim to be Ooh, was it top 10 worthy? Or were they just saying that? Okay. Okay. Wait a second. Five Guys isn't bad though. It's just expensive. Like once you start racking stuff up. But Five Guys isn't bad. Can I edit it right here? That's frustrating. Why can't I edit it? There's nowhere in here where I can edit the diameter. What the heck? It may not be that, but Eh, fine. Uh, and then extrude this to be 50. To be 50. 45. That makes kind of sense, I guess. Right? No. Does that make sense? No. I mean, so I will say, why is that? And also, what is your palette of barbecue? Like, have you had Memphis, Kansas City, Texas? Okay. What about it made it the best? Oh, nice. Was it like a smoky flavor? Like what? Like you get what I'm saying? Like was it? Did they have a glaze on it? Oh, I'm pretty sure beer over there is pretty good too. And then create a hole in here. Whoa. Reference. It was amazing sauce. Hmm. So you got the whole experience. Okay. Yeah, 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 the whole thing. Huh. Oh no. Wait. Yes. Have it be about 25. And then the size, have it be that's huge. This is not what I think it is. This is not accurate. That's more like it, but it's not a quarter. Yeah, it's on brand. And besides, pig. Well, I would think a more fitting. Well, was it beef or pork? Because if it was pork, then it's perfectly on brand. I know, but the barbecue that you had, huh? Death. I just picked up on that. Death Sabbath. Okay. I'm tired too. Because if you wouldn't have said anything, I would have went along with it. Oh, I mean, Black Death. I mean, it makes sense. Hmm. So, is this not threaded? Okay, perfect. This looks perfectly like it was. This is a lot more accurate. Okay. So, okay, let me explain this. Let me let me let me open it up. Are these what I think it is? Are these hush puppies? Oh, that was quick. Whoa. Oh, I'm sorry. Wait, can you hear me? Let me know if you can hear me. Hello, testing. I'll wait. This looks really good. True. Wait. Oh, I'm still thinking that you're talking about the one in Denmark. I was like, how are they True Texas and they're in Denmark? But never mind. Never. Okay. All right. Wait. 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 Why? Maybe it's a branding thing, but why don't they just like brand themselves as like just Danish barbecue? Does that not work? And besides, wait. I'm gonna represent for Texas. Okay, hear me out. I'm going to represent for Texas having the best barbecue, bar none. It's just my duty as a Texan. But they could have easily like branded as like Memphis and been just as fine. Oh, they lean heavily into the Texas thing. That's weird. Have like I don't know. No, but like don't. Okay, that's like me saying that's like me saying that like I have the best League of Legends stream. This is not a League of Legends stream. Let me just like represent for software or like 3D modeling. Like I'm in a different category of I don't know. Is it? Because they're a whole ocean away. Ooh. Wait, they have their own. Am I reading this right? They have their own brewery? That's so cool. I'm not an IPA kind of person though. I know it's like cool to be an IPA person. I'm not cool enough for that. I'll be honest. Whoa. And as I've gotten older, it's not that like it does anything bad to me, but I think I've just naturally just been okay with not drinking beer anymore. I don't know. This keeps on snapping and it's making me mad. Glamour. Industrial diner setting. Okay, wait. I see war pigs, and this is the decor. I'm expecting like dark, like biker jackets, like Harley Davidson. This looks like a Chipotle. Okay. I trust you. I trust you. But this looks okay. I believe you now. But this is outside. This looks like a very big difference than this. This is outside. No, these are two different places. Ah, yes, but also not white rooms. Huh? Okay. From live music and themed, it's better for light and work. Wait, do you play an instrument? Guitar, electric guitar, drums, bass. Mm. Proficiently, still. I think guitar is more of like a rhythm. Not okay. How can I explain it? It's more of a vibe thing, like a rhythm thing, and finding like a swing different than other instruments in a different kind of way, if that makes sense. Because like with drumming, like a drum set, you have to have rhythm, but like the hand-eye coordinate, well, not well, maybe hand-eye coordination. The coordination that you have to have for your fingers to work with a guitar is a lot different than a keyboard. Is this what phone numbers look like? Or is this a business thing? And what is CVR? Dang. That's cool. That's cool. Also, do they have other language options? I guess not. But that's cool. Thank you for sharing. But I want to go to Spain next year. They have to display it to others, though. Oh, I didn't know that. Oh, hmm. Interesting. So, getting back to this is exactly what it looks like. But I need to like kind of think a little bit more of like how exactly to, because this is it, and just tighten it up. And speak it better than me. Wow. Oh, I don't know what kind of accent someone from Pennsylvania has when it comes to English. I've never heard like a PA accent. Hmm. There isn't one? Huh. They don't have an accent either? I never thought about that. So there's really nothing else I can really do with this because this is just it. Can I edit the sketch? Sketch. Sketch dimension. What the heck is this? Let me choose it. Edit feature. Edit profile sketch. Whatever. Then you will. Is that what they call them? Heck. When I see Texan streamers and they don't speak a Texan accent. What the heck? What kind of like is that supposed to be like a slur? What? What does that even mean? Yeah, what is that a compliment? Oh yeah, that's like slang. That's a terrible slang word. That's not even cool. Aw, people want to be Texas so bad. They wanted their own y'all. Aw. It feels good to be awesome. We just have y'all, and that's all we need. It feels good to be awesome. Just naturally awesome. Just birth into awesomeness. It's pretty cool. Why can't I do that? Edit feature? Oh. So I guess it does. 60 and then bring it down? Is it possible to bring it down? To move it vertically? Hey, you. Move this vertically. No. Finish sketch. That's it. Offset plane? Oh. 15? What? I didn't mean to do that. At least our power. That was pretty good. I give credit where it's due. That was pretty good. Oh. I don't know how to do this though. So, oh, is that how I would do it? Negative 15. Hello. What? Negative 15. Yes. Let's try this again. Set pivot, translate. Oh, 15. No. Negative 15. Component XYZ design. Pick direction. No. What? Is yek a good thing or a bad thing? Because it's somewhere between yes and heck. Oh, I like the snow, but not living in the snow. Living in the snow would be terrible. Heck is a bad thing. Like it's cool to visit, like going to like Colorado and stuff and like snowboarding. Do y'all have any slopes in PA? Yikes. Small ones. Not anything to like write home about or anything. Not the ritzy rich ones that the Coloradians have. How do I move an object down so that it sits below the Z axis? Or is that even possible? Modify shortcut M, select your body in the dialog. You're in translate mode, the arrow down. Type a negative value, click OK. That's not going to work. If you were we do it step by step. Go to modify. The move and copy. Select it. Yeah. Okay, wait. Yes. Go to translate. And the Z. Let's type a positive one in here. Still not working. Is it faces? Hold up. BRB, hold up. All right. Why is it doing this? Not doing it. I don't understand. AI is wrong. Right click the component in the browser, select ground, then unground it, and drag it. Wait. This. So. No, that's not it. Oh, not that one. This one? This one? Ground. Wait. No. No. Mm. It's just a hill. Hmm. Hmm. I don't know. That's a Yeah, that makes sense. That's probably how they would categorize them. That doesn't make sense though. Why this does this have a move thing or a ground? I don't see it. Bodies, bodies, bodies. No, no, no. Configure, move, modify. Something has to There has to be some type of like search so I can find what I need. Search? No. Show? No. I don't think I like Fusion 360. Hold up. Or maybe this is wrong. Is it is it possible to have uh, oh, maybe I need to go to bed. I don't know if he would ever have, well, you never know. But I don't think this person would ever have anything sit below the Z axis. Down and it seems like it disappeared. Look at your timeline. Not wrong. Hold up. Faces. I just want this. Oh, wait. Maybe I was just doing that the entire time. Oh, I was trying to move the face and not the body. See, this is why experimenting helps. This is why. Oh, I feel sick. I feel sick. Why is this tilting like this? This makes so much sense now. Wow. Okay. Well, essentially, this is what this looks like without without this sitting right here. So I think I kind of may be done. I made an object on my own. So I'm happy. I'm satisfied. I hope that y'all are satisfied. So I'm gonna name it. I can't. I don't have a screw. Save as. What do I call this? The wedge? No, I don't know what to call it. The wedge adjuster for F2. I don't know what to call it. And down at the model. What is McMaster? What is that? I'm so new to 3D modeling. I don't know if you're trolling or not. Oh, well, I don't know if there's like a major hub for that because like I see so many pages that have 3D models and stuff like that for download. I didn't know if there was like a Google, like how Google is like the front page of the internet. I didn't know that there was one. Oh, this is for industrial stuff. Oh, I still don't know that either. I know like Granger, but not McMaster. Are you trolling? Hold up. Oh. Oh. This is beautiful. Yeah. What the heck? What what the heck? I never knew that this existed. Oh, and it has the head profile too? Oh, and the filtering. Oh. Oh, this is beautiful. Yeah. And I'm pretty sure this is built with something like a CAD software, CAM software. This is beautiful. I've never seen anything like this before. Oh. Oh, it just keeps on getting better and better. Oh. Okay, what I use on this one is a 5/8, so I don't know what the thread size would be. Uh, yeah, I don't know what it would be. Mm-mm. That's the head size, the socket. Or am I searching? I'm trying to search this. Is this a real thing? What is this? What? I don't know if you know it or not. You just kind of made my night. This is getting bookmarked. This is getting bookmarked. Oh my gosh. Whew. Yeah, obviously, but oh my gosh. Wow. Now, this is what I call a website. Now, this is programming right here. This is that real stuff. Oh, this may be my new favorite website on the internet. Just to browse around, just to admire it from both an engineering perspective, but also like a web development perspective. This is a work of art. I- They have motors too. Wait, where? Wait, huh? Huh? Question: would they ever sell anything small enough? How much power would I need to work something off of like a PCB? Or would these be too powerful for that? I've heard of this before. Like the can why don't they have it anymore? Is this a Swedish company? Wait. Oh. Huh? This is Georgia. Oh. Oh, I'm looking at Atlanta, there's Chicago, there's Cleveland, Los Angeles, New Jersey. It's pretty cool. Yeah, this is getting bookmarked. Yeah. They have Lincoln Lubes? Do they have Lincoln Lubes? Wait. They're probably not branded though. for almost everything. Oh, they even have the. Oh my god. Oh, they don't. They don't. They don't. Sad. But still, I don't care if it's branded or not. Wow. I can stay on this website for hours. Wow. I wonder if they sell filament on here. I'm just wondering things. Um, they do. What don't they do that's of interest to me? Oh my gosh. What's the other one? Pat. It's PA something. Pat. PLA. Wow. Yeah, they're expensive for a reason, I assume. Yeah, for a good reason. I don't know what to say. Thank you. Thank you. Uh, yeah. I may know a guy. Now that I'm like doing this kind of stuff, I may know a guy right now. So, yeah. I'm gonna get off and then I'll come back and do the
Welcome to
day 3 of this. I don't know what this is. Oh, it's a paperclip. I'm gonna do it the day 3 of this, and we will, you know, experiment and stuff some more. Which Call of Duty ended with I might know a guy? Was that Modern Warfare 2? And they ended up at the safe house. Hold on. Oh, am I spoiling stuff? Oops. Wait, it's a decade old game. Wait, hold up. No, he didn't say I might know a guy. I think he said I know a guy. Oh yeah, it does. Like, or it's an iPhone. Which video ends with no. They're saying Modern Warfare 3. All right, hold up. This is spoiling things. Wait a second. I'm just on here just searching random things. All right. Yes, I do. Is that a bad thing? Yeah, I don't have like a DSLR camera or anything special. I'm a regular guy. I'm telling you. I'm just on the internet just doing stuff. But yeah. Thank you. Okay, you probably came here at a really good time because there was a rough patch to where my camera was disconnecting and stuff. There's a whole bunch of stuttering. There may still be stuttering. I don't know. But you probably came at a really good time. Yeah. So hmm? Well, hold up. I'm getting off. This is what I ended up making? Oh, wait, you can't see it. This is what I ended up making? So, thanks for watching. Later.